Hey y'all, I'm Tom at Integrity Transmission and Auto Repair in Fate, Texas. You know, I've been advertising on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for a while now, and I gotta tell you, by far, the most effective business tool I have is Facebook. I get group messages all the time, recommendations in the groups, and I really appreciate it. If you're local to the Rockwall area, you've probably seen the Rockwall newspaper's Best of the Best every year, and I am excited to tell you that this year we won Best of Best for 2025 Rockwall County for auto repair. We really appreciate the community support here. So if you are looking for a new relationship or to continue a relationship, we would love to meet you. We do a full line of general mechanic work, brakes, struts, shocks, water pumps, tune-ups, all that fun stuff, as well as, of course, rebuilt and remanufactured transmissions. We're at 4232 East Interstate 30 in Fate, Texas. We'd love to meet you and start that relationship.